How to start internet banking with your debit card. This is how you can do it. Enter NKGSB Bank's official website. Click on Personal Banking. Click to accept and proceed to internet banking. Click on Continue. Click on Register for personal banking to create your account. Select Register online with debit card and click on Continue. Enter the details and click on Validate. Enter your card details and click on Continue. You will receive an OTP. Enter the OTP and click on Continue. Your ID will be generated. Enter and confirm your password and click on Continue. Congratulations! You have successfully registered. Click on Go to Login page. To continue the process, enter your ID and password and click on Login. Click on Agree. Congratulations! You have successfully logged into your account. Enjoy hassle-free payment with our net banking. To know more about net banking, visit our website or give us a missed call on 022 2860 2020.